everyone, and welcome to Funday Monday number 16. If you are new to my channel, my name is Cynthia and this is my Joyful Creations space. And if you are already a part of the Joyful Creations family, welcome. I am so glad to spend this moment with you. So today for Funday Monday, we are not going to actually make anything. We're going to kind of go back over some of the things that we have made at the end of May and all of the month of June. And those were the hats that we made for Hat Not Hate. And so we're going to go through those and then we're going to get them boxed up and we're going to get them shipped off so that they will have them in time to hand out to the school-age children to stand up against bullying. So the very first hat that we made was a pattern by Lion Brand, and it was called the Urban Minimalist hat. And this was the first one that we made. And then here are two more hats that were made using that pattern. I just love that combination of colors together. So that was our Urban Minimalist hat from Lion Brand. That was the only pattern that I did not create in this series. So I was very excited about that. So the very second hat that we did was the first hat pattern that I had ever created. And again, it was either using a group of stitches or a particular stitch to make the hat, but you know, putting the pattern together is what I actually created. I did not invent the stitches. So it was the double layer puff hat, and here was the first one that I made. Just so you can see it, you can really see those puff stitches on the top there, but it's also throughout the hat. You can see some right there. And there was another one. All right, the third style hat that we made, I ended up naming it the DS Coupe hat. And the reason for that is because I used double and single crochet stitches to create it. And so it was like the double and the single crochet stitches were coupled together. So that's where DS Coupe came from. So there was the first one. And you can see that we created a pom-pom for it. And I'm going to back you up just a little bit. I feel like I'm struggling to get all of the hat into the, there we go. And then here was the second one. Love that yarn. That was really pretty. And then this was the last DS Coupe hat that we made. And of course we made a pom-pom to go on it. The next hat that we made, we called it Party in a Hat. And this was the first one. And you can see that the yarn right there matched the brim. And the other Party in a Hat that we made was a favorite by a lot of people. And I like this one myself. That was a nice hat. All right. And then I had a lot of fun with this pattern. These hats were called the Playful Stripes hat. And there's the first one. Love the little shimmery, glittering bling bling. And there was another one like it. It just wasn't as long. It's a little bit shorter of a beanie. And then there was that one. And then I really like this one. And just showing how the same pattern, just creating the stripes, you know, wider, can create a whole different look. So again, that was the Playful Stripes hat. The next hat was the Grit Stitch hat. And then this one was also a favorite by a lot of people. And then the last hat that we made was the Joy hat. And I just love this one. And on this one, I created a different brim for it. I really like it. That was really pretty. And I made one other hat, but we did not do a tutorial on it. And it was done doing the herringbone stitch. I don't know if you can see that stitch really well, but it is really pretty. It's supposed to look like a little herringbone. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try and do this. And then I wanted you to see the border. There you go. Oh, you can see the border there. Or the brim, I guess I should say. That was really pretty. And then this one was just kind of a little simple little beanie. All right. So in the end, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 hats that we're sending. And my goal was to do 14 because I was doing one before the tutorial and one in the tutorial, and we were doing a total of 7. So my goal was 14, but we are sending 21. So I am going to go ahead and get those boxed up, and we're going to get them out in the mail and get them on their way to Lion Brand so that they can get those passed out. I believe they're going to do it in September or October, but they have to be in by August 1st. So I will one more time put all the information for the Hat Not Hate project in the description box below, as well as the address where to send them should you decide to send them, but they do have to be in by August the 1st, and they also have to be 75% blue. So, well, that is all we have for today on our Funday Monday special. And so I hope you like this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are one who wants to stand up against bullying, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not done so already, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you can receive all the notifications of all my upcoming videos. Got a lot of exciting things going on, especially got a giveaway coming up. So I look forward to seeing you, and until next time, be joyful, stay crafty in your own way, and make your own joyful creations.